Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create and manage email lists in ActiveCampaign in 2026. First, log in to your ActiveCampaign account. To create a new list, go to Lists in the left menu and click New List. Give it a name, like Newsletter or Customers, and add a description so your team knows what it's for. Now, to add contacts, go to Contacts and click Add Contact. Fill in their name and email, then select which list you want them added to. You can also import multiple contacts at once by clicking Import and uploading a CSV file. To manage your lists, click on any list name to view all contacts inside. From here, you can search for specific contacts, add tags, or remove people who have unsubscribed. You can also create list segments. Click Manage Segments, then create conditions based on tags, contact fields, or engagement. This lets you send targeted campaigns to the right people, and that's it. You now know how to create and manage email lists in ActiveCampaign. Like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.